like that. We ain't even made it to the tip off yet, for real. Think about it. Shit, I still been warming up. One turn it into, boy, I'm talking thousands.
One, turn that into two. Boy, I'm talking thousands. Can make it not inside my city. I ain't gotta waste no mileage. Was under 3, now it's above 4. I'm raising prices, took my health for granted. I can't save you if you drown it. I write a rap a day, every day I picture pain. I may not speak, react on it, it was seen red. Noted, never kiss and tell. Fucking on your chick, you probably never know. This information in my brain, they were killed to know this. Losing my mind, I been going insane. I took a break from the packs for the rap, now I'm back inside that lane. Gemini, every day I wake up different, in the instant I can change. BM told me the only time I love her when we fucking laying face to face. This not a fumble, little lady, I be dropping dimes, that's every day. Get them vibing to my feelings, Jimmy Blonde, Frankie Ocean, Frankie Ocean vibes. Known to handle the big problems, call me Jimmy Bond. You the type to get some free cheese, still can't up a mitt. You the type to get free bags, just smoke it, yeah, by the zip. You the type to get free bags and just smoke it by the zip. You the type to copy everything we do, you copy paste, bitch. Haha, I be, you know, man, I've been trying to make a little transition from one to the next, but it's like it keep pulling me back in it, you know, it's like, I've been living in the booth, tired of cooking up that stew. I'm tired of round with packs, I'm getting deeper with my raps. They know I do it better, I ain't rich, this shop ain't closing yet. Give a fuck about the weather, I'm outside about that check. Don't got no time to waste, outside with the dirty money, tryna build my legal cake. Leader be the nigga with the most knowledge and not the most paid. Boss gon' tell you how to do it, leader show you how along the way. I showed you that I love you, still you chose the place right. I showed you that I love you, still you chose to play right in my face. Hustler, I could be down bad, I'm counting 10 the next day. Why would I do a song with these niggas who been changing on they gang still? What? I still work a 9 to 5, trap got watered down, informant snitches plugs now. Rebuilding my foundation, lost a $500, I ran out of patience. You wanna feature, pay the fee. They screaming all this work shit, that shit I'm doing, it ain't free. You wanna feature, pay the fee. They screaming all this work, I'm screaming out the shit I do ain't free.
100 for the happy, 200, that's for the steak. 2,000 was the legal check, that's how my bills been getting paid. Father and 2 babies, not tell us me and you, we don't relate. Bro, daddy to my babe.
She like, damn, you been on my mind all day. Whatever you need, boy, it's covered, I'm your wall state. Sending nasty pictures, message reading, put this on yo, man. She don't do the last shit, they on nails, no, you know them bitches gon' be ass. It's not me, it's the dick that she in love with for the bitches ass. Yeah. Hood nigga, baby, I don't want no glass. I drink the wine without the bottle. Love a no more cute chick, keep the Instagram model. Money over bitches gon' forever be the model. Hood nigga, baby, I don't want no glass. I drink the wine right out the bottle. Love a no more cute chick, keep the Instagram models. Money over bitches gon' forever be the model. Money over, drink the wine right out the bottle. Jimmy Blonde, Gemi Cheeze.
Something to prove, I'm just trying to show you I ain't got shit to lose.